Good morning students, welcome to the lecture. So in this lecture we see that what is the dynamic programming approach. In the unit 3 we will study that what is the dynamic programming approach. So what is that dynamic programming approach? In this visited all the nodes and find the minimum cost. Find the minimum cost, that is the aim of that dynamic programming. Visited all nodes and find the minimum cost, that is the optimal cost, and the optimality is the solution for that the dynamic programming. So in the dynamic programming, the very first approach, that is the traveling salesman problem. So what is that? The traveling salesman's problem. In that, assume that the tour starts from one node. Assume that the tour starts from one node. Suppose from here, starting from here, and visited to all nodes, and again reach at the first node from where the journey begins. That is the approach of the dynamic programming. Journey starting from the one node and ending again at the same node. And find the minimum cost, that is the optimal solution. That is the approach of the dynamic programming. So in this traveling salesman problem, if you start the journey from the node A and visited all the node and ending at the same node. That is the traveling salesman approach. So every possible tour can be assumed at here, and every possible tour, and with that tour we obtain the minimum cost. With that tour we obtain the minimum cost. Visited each node where is the V equals to L comma K, where is the path, that is the K and L. Path is the K and L. So this is the tour, and it is clear that we are going to have an optimal tour. Then the path KL, having the should be the optimal. The path should be the optimal. There is a principle of optimality holds. In the dynamic programming, the principle of optimality holds. So in the traveling salesman problem, we obtain the optimal solution. What is the aim? To find the minimum cost tour, that is the sum of edges on particular tour. Sum of the cost of edge on particular tour, that is the aim of that traveling salesman problem. So what is consist? Every tour consisting of an edge Lk for some k belongs to V minus 1. So every tour consisting of a path from K to L, that is K to L, going to each vertex in V minus Lk. Then the third step, what is? If the tour is optimal, path from K to L through all vertices in V minus L comma K should be shortest. So here let G of Is be the length of shortest path of vertex I going to all vertices in S. So S is the set of vertices and I is the starting vertex. What is S? Is the set of vertices and I is the starting vertex. So I is starting vertex. So what is the function? The function equals to G of 1 minus V minus 1 here. That is the minimum. What? Minimum. That is the C of K, 1K plus G of K, V minus LK here. What is 2 less than equals to K less than equals to N. This is the first equation. So generally what is that? G of Is equals to minimum C of J plus S minus J. This is the second equation, and here is the third equation. G of 1 minus 2, 3, 4. G of 1 that is 2, 3, 4, that is the minimum, that is what C of 1, 2, C of 1, 2 plus G of 2, 3, 4, then C of 1, 3, C of 1, 3, then the G of 3, 2 for remaining, then the G of 1, 4, here is the G of 1, 4 and the remaining, that is the G, 4 and 2, 3, the remaining, that is the second and this is the third equation. This is the third equation. So what is the S equals to 1, 2, 3, S equals to 1, 2, 3 set, that is the using that formulas we solve the traveling salesman problem. So let's see the example. So we start with the example. This is the matrix, that is the traveling from 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is the weighted directed graph. So weighted directed graph from 1 to, then 1 2, then 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 4 to again 1. So here is the starting vertex and the journey ends at again the same vertices. The journey ends again at the same vertices. So we start with the 1. Suppose we start from the 1, then the 1, 2, 3, 4 and again ending at the 1. Then we start from again 1, 4, then 3, then 2 again ending at the 1. So again we start from the 1, 3, 2 and ending at again 1. So there are the many possible vertices are, many possible journey, many possible tours are there. So there is a matrix, cost matrix, and here is the weighted directed graph. G of V is the weighted directed graph. So where 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to again 1. And 1 is the starting vertex. And the journey tour ends at again the 1. So what is that? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and again 4 to 1. Journey ends again at the 1. Then again 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 2 to 4 and again ends at the 1. Meaning is that if journey starts from 1 and ending at the 1, there are the many possible routes. Then again 1 to 4, 4 to 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1. Meaning is that n minus 1, that is the n is the 4, 4 minus 1, 3 factorial, that is equals to 6. There are 6 possible ways we have to travel. We have the 6 possible ways to take a journey. So there is a complexity O of n of n. So this is the complexity. So we discuss about that matrix. So what is that? That is the cost matrix. So right here, draw the tree 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and again ending at the 1. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4? Then 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 4, 2. Then 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 3, 2. There are the 6 possible way of the tour. 6 possible ways of the tour. So we I draw here the tree in the form of tree, that is the cost matrix. So we have to calculate with this. So what is that? That is the 4. So what is the 4? Starting from the bottom. Starting from the bottom. Bottom से हम start करेंगे. So what is 4? तो 4 कहाँ जा रहा है? 4 जा रहा है again 1 पर. कहाँ जा रहा है? 4 ends
1.
Again at the 1. So what is that? 4 to 1. 4 to 1. 4 to 1 कितनी value है? 8. So write here 8. Then what is that? 3. 3 3 कहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है? 3 एंड हो रहा है अगेन, कहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है? 3 एंड हो रहा है अगेन 1 पर। तो पहले हम इससे देख लेते हैं व्हाट इज दैट, द 4 एंड्स एट द 1 दैट इज द 8, देन 3 again ends at the 1, meaning is that the journey starts from 1 ending at the 1. So what is that? 3 to 1, right here 6, then 4 again end at the 1, so what is 4 to 1, that is the 8, then the 2 again ends at the 1, so what is 2 to 1, 5, 2 to 1, 5 here, I write here 5, then 3 there is a, so what is 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 6 here, then what is that 2, then 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 5. So I write the bottom value because we start from the bottom. So what is 8, 6, 8, 5, 6, then now calculate this. So what is this? 3 here. So what is the 3 to 4? We now we write what is 4 to 1 value. Now write the 3 to 4. What is 3 to 4? 3 to 4 having the value here. So what is 3 to 4 is 12. 3 to 4 is 12, and what is the value of that 4? 8. So 12 plus 8, that is equals to 20. Then here 4. 4 to 3. What is that? 4 to 3. 4 to 3 is 9. 4 to 3 is 9, and what is the weight of that? What is the cost of that? 6. So 9 plus 6, that is equals to 15 here. That is equals to 15. So again here is the 2 to 4. 2 to 4. What is 2 to 4? That is the 10. So 8 plus 10, that is equals to 18. That is equals to 18. That is equals to 18 here. Then 4 to 2. So what is 4 to 2? 4 to 2 कितना है? 8. 4 to 2, 8. So right here 8, and this is what? 5. 8 plus 5, that is the 13. 8 plus 5, that is 13. And here what is 2 to 3? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 है 9. 9 plus weight of 3 is 6. So 9 plus 6, there is a 15. Then again here is a 3 to 2. What is 3 to 2? That is the 13. 13 plus 5, that is equals to 18. So 13 plus 5, that is equals to weight of this 5, and 3 to 2, that is 13. 13 plus 5, that is equals to 18. Getting this?
Yes.
Then after that calculate this. What is 2 to 3? 2 to 3. What is 2 to 3? 9. 2 to 3, 9 plus old value of 3. Old value of 3, that is 20. Meaning is that 9 plus 20, that is 29. That is 29. Again here what is 2 to 4? 2 to 4, that is the 10. So 10 plus old value is 15. 10 plus 15, that is equals to 25. So he is not having the two values, 29 and 25. So which is the minimum? Which is the minimum? That is the 25 is the minimum. 25 is the minimum among two. Then here again, what is 3 to 2? What is the value of 3 to 2 is 13. 3 to 2 is 13 plus what is the 2's weight? Old weight 18. So 13 plus 18, that is equals to 31 here. Then what is 3 to 4? 3 to 4, that is the 12. And what is the 4's cost? Old cost 13. So 12 plus 13, that is equals to 25. 25. So what is the, here is the 31, here is the 25, which is minimum? Minimum is 25 here. Minimum is 25. Among two values, minimum is 25. 25. So we select the minimum. Then here 4 to 2. What is 4 to 2? 8. 4 to 2 8. Then old 2 values, 2's cost 15. So 8 plus 15, that is equals to 23. Then here 4 to 3. 4 to 3 is 9. So what is that? 9. And what is the 3's old value? 3's old value is 18. So 9 plus 18, that is equals to what is 7, and this is 2, 27. So 23 and 27. Which is minimum? Minimum is 23. Minimum is 23. So now calculate here what is. So calculate here now 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is the 10. Then plus old value of 2, that is the 25. So 10 plus 25, that is equals to 35. Then 1 to 3. What is 1 to 3? That is the 15. 15 plus old value of here, that is the, what is that minimum? 25 again. So 25 minimum among them, 31 and 25, minimum is 25, and we take the minimum cost. So what is that? 25. So what is here? 40. Then third one, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So what is 1 to 4? That is the 20 plus what is the 4 old value? That is the 23 and 27. So select the minimum. What is minimum? Minimum is 23. So put here 23. So what is that? Total is 43. So among 3, which is minimum? Which is minimum? 35 is the minimum. 35 is the minimum. So what is the cost of tour? Cost of tour equals to what is 35. Minimum cost of tour is 35. And what is the node here? What is the travel? What is the traveling path here? What the traveling path here is the. So what is the cost of tour? Cost of minimum tour is the 35, and the minimum cost path is 1, 2, then 4, and what is 3 and 1. So what is the 1, 2, 4, 3, 1? We obtain here 35 from this path and from this branch. So what is 1, 2, 4, 3 and 1? This is the minimum cost path. In this way we solve. And now this is solved with the formula. How this is solved with the formula? So that is the formula for that. G of I comma phi. So what is that? C of 1 j ij. So what is that? That is equals to G of 2 comma phi. Meaning is that, what is that? 2 to 1. The path is 2 to 1. So what is that 2 to 1? 2 to 1 is 5. Then G of 3 phi. What is? That is 3 to 1. That is equals to how much? 6. And G of 4 to 5. That is equals to 4 comma 1. That is equals to how much? 8. So in this way 4, 6, 5, 6, 8. This is the path, and that is 1 to 1 is 0 here. So in this way we write here the value 5, 6, 8 in the top. In the bottom we write 5, 6, 8. Then again the equation 2, we have the equation 2. So what is that equation 2? G of what? G of 2 comma 3. What is G of 2 comma 3? What is that G of 2 comma 3? Meaning is that C of 2, 3 plus G of what? 3 comma 5. G of 3 comma 5. So what is C of 2, 3? what is the C of 2 3? See here, 2 3, C of 2 3 equals to 9 here. C of 2 3, 2 3, C of 2 3 is 9. So 9 plus G of 3 5. G of 3 5 कितना है? 6. So 9 plus 6, that is the 15. Then the next is G of 3 comma G of 3 comma 2 comma 4. G of 2 comma 4. G of 2 comma 4. So what is that? C of 2 4 plus G of 4 comma 5. G of 4 comma 5. So what is that? 4 comma 5. So what is here? C of 2 4 कितना है? C of 2 4 is 10. So here is the 10 plus G of 4 5 8. That is equals to 18. Then after that here is the next is the the next after that next G of 3 comma 2 3 of 2. So what is that? Equals to C of 3 2 plus G of what? G of 2 5. G of 2 5 2 comma 5. So what is here? That is equals to C of 3 2 3 2 कितना है? 3 2 that is equals to 13. That is equals to 13 plus 2 5. 2 5 कितना है? 2 5 is the 5. 3 that is equals to 18. कितना आया है? 18. देख लो वैल्यू बराबर आई है कि नहीं. So what is 15? The very first is the 15. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? G of 2 3 is the 15. G of 2 3 is the 15. Then after that 18 and what is that? G of 2 3 is the 15. Then G of 2 4. 2 4 is the 18. 2 4 is the 18 here. 2 4 is the 18. Then what is G of 3 2? G of 3 2. So 3 2 is the 18 again. 3 2 is the 18. Then after that G of what? G of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. So what is that? C of 3 4 plus G of what? Now 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. So what is C of 3 4 कितना है? C of 3 4 that is the 12 plus G of 4 5 that is equals to 8. That is 20. That is how much? 20. So G of 3 4. See here what is G of 3 4? That is the 20. Correct value. So after that what is here? G of what? G of next 3 4. After 3 4 there is a 4 2. G of 4 comma 2. So that is equals to what? C of what? 4 2 plus G of 2 comma 5. G of 2 comma 5. So that is equals to C of 4 2. What is 4 2? That is the 8 plus G of 2 5 कितना है? 2 5 that is equals to 5. 8 plus 5 that is equals to 13. So see here 4 to 2. 4 to 2 that is equals to 13. 4 to 2 13 and the one remain. What is that? 4 3. G of what is? I calculate here. G of what? 4 3. So how much? C of what? C of 4 3 plus G of what? G of 3 comma 5. G of 3 comma 5. So what is 4 3 4 3 9 plus g of 3 5. G of 3 5 is 6. So 9 plus 6, that is equals to 15. So see here, what is 4 2 3? See here, 4 2 3, that is equals to 15. Then the very first 4 2 3, that is equals to 20. 4 2 3, that is equals to 20. Then sorry, 3 2 4, 3 2 4, that is equals to 20. Then 4 2 3, 4 2 3, that is 4 2 3, that is equals to 15. Then 2 2 4, what is 2 2 4, that is equals to 18. Then 2 2 3, 2 2 3, that is equals to how much? 15. 2 2 3 15, and 3 2 2, that is 3 2 2, that is equals to 18. So we calculate up to this level. Now the next level, this is the S1. What is the equation to having the mod S equals to 1. Now S equals to, we have to calculate S equals to 2. Now compute the third step, that is S equals to 2, that is the length equals to 2. So what is G of 2 comma 3 4? G of 2 comma 3 4, meaning is that minimum 2 3 plus G of 3 comma 4. Then the next possible truth, that is the G of 2 4. The very first is G of 2 3. The next is G of C of 2 4, that is C of 2 4 plus G of 4 comma 3. That is the next possible to 2 3 4. That is, this is the 2 4 3. So in this way we write here the equation and put the value. What is C of 2 3? What is that C of 2 3? C of 2 3 is 9. C of 2 3, 2 2 3 9 plus G of 3 4. We calculate in the last equation, that is the G of 3 4. What is that G of 3 4? The value of G of 3 4 is 20. G of 3 4 is 20. And what is the next? C of 2 4. C of 2 4, that is the 10, comma, here is the 10 plus how much? G of 4 3. We calculate the G of 4 3. G of 4 3 is the 15 here. G of 4 3 is the 15 here. G of 4 3 is 15. So what is that? Here is calculated 29, and this is somewhat 15 and 25. So what is minimum among that? 29 and 25. What is the minimum? 29 and 25. In the 20, among the 29 and 25, what is minimum? Minimum is 25. Minimum is 25. So we take the 25. Then G of 3 4, that is the possible root 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. So what is 3 to 2 and 3 to 4? So what is C of 3 to 2? C of 3 to 2 is 13. 13 plus G of 2 to 4, we calculate last time, G of 2 to 4. So what is that G of 2 to 4? G of 2 to 4 is the 18. We calculate that G of 2 to 4. Here is the G of 2 to 4, 18. So put here 18, comma, what? 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is 12. 3 to 4 is 12. G of 4 to 2. G of 4 to 2. What is that? 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is 13. So here is the 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13, that is the 25. And here is the 31. So what is 31, comma, this is 25. So what is minimum? Minimum value, what is? Minimum equals to how much? 25. Minimum is 25. Minimum is 25 here. Then the third one, what is? G of 4 to 2 3. Meaning is that 4 to 2. 4 to 2 and 4 to 3 here. So what is 4 to 2? 4 to 2 is 8 plus G of 2 to 3. G of 2 to 3 is 15. G of 2 to 3 is 15. So 18 plus 15 comma what is 4 to 3? 4 to 3 is 9 plus G of 3 to 2. G of 3 to 2 is 18. G of 3 to 2 is 18. So what is that? 18 plus 8 plus 15. What is 23 comma 9 plus 18 27. So what is minimum? Minimum among that, minimum is the 23. Minimum is the 23. So now the next, what is minimum among that? What is the minimum among that? So we have to calculate with that. So next compute, that is S of 3. The S of 3. So we have to compute the next length, that is S equals to 3. So what is that? G of 1 comma 2 3 4. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So 1 to 2, then what is 1 to 3, and that is 1 to 4. Then G of 2 comma 3 4. So we have to calculate the next time, that is the 1 to 2 is 10, and calculate the next level, that back level, that is S of 2, that is the 25. So here is the 25. So 15 plus 25, here is the, then what is the third level? C of 1 4, 20 plus 23. What is that? 35, 40 and 43. What is the minimum among that? Among that there is a 35. So what is the minimum cost? Minimum cost is 35 and 2 is 12431. 12431. 12431. This is the minimum cost rule, that is the optimal solution for the traveling salesman problem. So in this way we calculate with the formula. I hope you understand. Subscribe my channel for the more videos, like and shares. Thank you.